Hi boys and girls, welcome to your next lesson on fractions. Fractions can be so much fun, can't they? I know, I hear you grumbling, but fractions are a lot of fun, and I'm going to show you through this series how fun fractions can be. So let's get going. Our lesson today is called Equal Shares. Here's our essential question. Why do you need to know how to make equal shares? Let's think about that for just a minute. Why do you need to know how to make equal shares? I wonder if you have some food that you needed to share, like pizza, and you only had several friends, and you had so many pieces, would you need to know how to make equal shares so that everybody got the same amount of pizza? That might be one way. We're going to look at some other ideas and other ways that you're going to need to know in the real world why it's important to know how to make equal shares. Are you ready? Good. Let's get started. Here's our story problem for today. 4 friends share 2 small pizzas equally. I promise I did not look ahead and see that it was pizzas. What are the 2 ways the pizza could be divided equally? How much pizza would each friend get? First, I think to myself, I see 2 question marks. So that tells me I'm going to have to answer 2 questions. So let's look at it. One way is to model the problem. There are how many friends? Good, there are 4 friends. So we cut the pizzas into 4 slices. There's 2 pizzas, cut them each into 4 slices. So how many equal parts are there? Yeah, there are 8 equal parts. So each friend can have 2 equal parts. Each friend will get 2/8 of all the pizza because there's 8 total, so each friend gets 2 out of those 8 equal parts. That seemed easy. Let's look at another way that we can solve this problem. Here we have it again, 4 friends sharing the same 2 small pizzas. What are the 2 ways that pizza can be divided equally, and how much pizza will each friend get? So we looked at the one way, we divide them all into fourths, and there are 8 equal pieces, so each person gets 2. Let's look at another way. How many friends are there again? Good, there's still 4, they haven't changed. So now we cut all the pizza into 4 slices. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 equal pieces. There are 4 equal parts. Each friend can have 1 equal part. Each friend will get 1/2 of the pizza. Friend 1, friend 2, friend 3, friend 4. So there are 2 ways that we can divide these 2 pizzas equally among 4 friends. Let's look at this math talk. Can you explain to me why both ways let the friends have an equal share? Go ahead and do that now. Tell me why both of these ways that we solved this problem allow each of the friends to have an equal share. Go. Okay. Okay. I love that reasoning. Good. Great job. I hear a lot of you saying that you divided the 2 pizzas equally into 4 parts, so each of them could have 2 equal pieces of that. You divided them into 4 equal parts between the 2 pizzas, so each one of them had half of a pizza. Great job. You guys are really understanding this equal shares. Let's try another problem. Are you ready? Yeah, good. Here's another problem. 4 girls share 3 oranges equally. Draw a quick picture to figure out how much each girl gets. Draw lines to divide the circles equally, shade the part that one girl gets, and describe what part of each orange each girl gets. So let's think. We have 3 oranges represented by these 3 circles. We have 4 girls. How can we divide these equally? Okay, I think some of you are thinking you can divide each one into 4, right? 4 equal parts. I'm doing my best to make them equal parts. Don't laugh, I hear you giggling. All right, so we have our 3 oranges divided into 4 equal parts for each girl. So girl 1, girl 1, girl 1, girl 2, girl 2, girl 2, and then we have 3, 3, and 3, and then we have girl 4, and girl 4. So we divided the circles equally. We're going to shade how much one girl gets. So if we have 1, 1, and 1, how many equal pieces do they get? They get 3 equal pieces, don't they? So I'm going to color in one of these 3 equal pieces. Okay, so how much of each orange does each girl get? How many colored pieces do we have out of this whole? That's right, 3 out of 4 equal pieces. So each girl gets 3/4 of an orange. And here's another way we can look at it. Let's change colors. Okay, so let's say girl 2 would get, let's say 3 pieces. So here we get 1, 2, and 3 pieces. Right, that's 3/4. And then girl 2 would get, we'll call her girl purple. She gets 3/4. They're all in fourths. And then that leaves the last girl with 3/4. Even though there's 2/4 here and 1/4 here, they still are all getting 3/4 of an orange. Does that make sense? Yeah? Great. We'll talk more about it tomorrow if it doesn't. All right, we're going to take time to look at one more example because I think it's really important that you understand this concept. Let's look at this next story problem. Melissa and Kyle are planning to share one pan of lasagna with 6 friends. They do not agree on the way to cut the pan into equal parts. Will each friend get an equal share using Melissa's way, using Kyle's way? So let's take just a quick look at the 2 pans. Here we have Melissa's way. First of all, how many equal parts do we need? I hear some of you saying 6. Let's look back at the story problem. It says Melissa and Kyle are planning to share one pan of lasagna with 6 friends. So is it just the 6 friends or is it Melissa, Kyle, and the 6 friends? It's Melissa and Kyle with their 6 friends. So we need how many equal pieces? Good. We need 8. So let's go to Melissa's way and see, number 1, are they equal parts? Okay, yes they are. And are there 8 equal shares? Okay. Let's look at Kyle's way. Are they equal shares? Good, yeah. And are there 8 equal shares? All right, so let's look at some of these questions and see if we can figure out if they are equal both ways. Will Melissa's shares and Kyle's shares have the same shape? No, that's right, they are different shapes. Will their shares using either way be the same size? Ooh, that's a toughie. Let's look at them again. Look at Melissa's way. Look at Kyle's way. Do they look like they're the same size? They don't look like they're the same size, do they? Oh, somebody just told me if you take half of Melissa's way and put it beside the one piece, like cut each piece in half and put them side by side, they would be the same length as this, the same size. So yes, they will be the same size, won't they? So each friend will get an equal share using either way. So it doesn't matter which way they cut the lasagna, they're still going to get equal shares. Good job, guys. All right, boys and girls, you did a great job. This is a tough one, but I know you can do this. Go on and do your blog for this week, and I will see you in class. Bye, guys.